So today in this video we are going to solve the exercise 1.2 of ML Agarwal class 7 mathematics. Here first question is of fill in the blanks. Okay, so quickly moving to the part A, the first answer is 0. 2497 plus 0 is equals to 2497. Okay, so B part 1489 minus 0 is equals to 1489. C part 1580 into 1 is equals to 1580. Okay, I am writing the answers only now. Questions are given in the description, you can check them out. 1260 into 0 is equals to 0, and E part 1593 divided by 1 is equals to 1593. So here E, then F 0 divided by 735 is equals to 0. Now moving to G, 178 plus 225 plus space is equals to space plus space plus 195. So here it's 195 and here it will 178 plus 225. Now moving to last part, which is H. Okay, here's I also. Second last, space 622 times space is equal to 201 times space into 545. So here it will be 201, 545 and 622 done. Now I 135 into dash plus dash is equal to space into 25 plus space into 159. So here 135 into, here it will be 135 into 25 and 135 into 159. Here it will be 25 and 159 done. Okay,
Now moving to question number 2. Here the question says verify the following properties of the addition. So here we have to verify these properties. The first property is commutative property by using the whole numbers, and the whole numbers are 37842 and 9563. So the commutative property says if A plus B is equals to B plus A, then it's verified. Okay, so first term is termed as A and the second term is termed as B. So first we will do 37842 9563 and add these both. Let's add quickly. So the answer of A plus B, it's A plus B. Okay, A plus B is 46405. Now for B plus A, so for solving B plus A, which will be equal to, so our value of B is 9563 and A is 37842. Now adding these two both. Okay, let's quickly add these. So 9563 and 37842 is written like this: 32564 8 9 5 14 1 carry 9 1 10 17 1 carry 9 1 10 17 1 carry 3 1 4. Okay, so here it is 47405. So this number 47405 is equals to this 47405. Hence it's verified. Now let's quickly move to the second part of this question, that is B part. So here we have to prove the associative property by using the whole numbers. So for associative property, the associative property is A plus B plus C is equals to A plus B plus C, and here's the bracket. So first we will solve the brackets and then we will add it. Okay, so for right hand side, first solve right hand side taking RHS, that is right hand side. So first quickly write the terms 3542, 10255 and 354210. So first term is 3542 plus 10255 plus 354210. So first we will add the brackets term. Let's quickly add these. So after adding we get 364465. Okay, so just quickly add now these two, 3542 plus 364465. So here we will get 368007. So it's right hand side. Okay, the solution of right hand side or solving right hand side, we get this. So now quickly do for left hand side. LHS. So for right hand side we will add first A plus B and then the answer will be added to C. Okay, so just quickly write A plus B and add these two both, and then we will add the result to C, that is 354210. So the result of adding these two is 13797, and we will add it to 354210. After adding these both we get 368007, which is left hand side, the solution of left hand side. And you will see that this right hand side solution is equal to the left hand side solution. Okay, left hand side solution is equals to right hand side solution. It's verified, hence proof. Now commutative property is verified for this. Let's quickly move to the next question. So the next question is find the value of x. So it's question 3. Find the value of x in the following. So first part is 142 into x into 5 is equals to 20 into 5 into 142. So for finding the value of x, here these two terms are in multiplication. So you can just see here 142 is here and 142 is also here. So here 5 is, so just for solving these types of question you can just simply do that. Here 142 and 5 are in multiplication. So if we just write x is equals to 20 into 5 into 142 and transfer these two on right hand side, so we will get like this 142 into 5. So at left hand side the terms are in multiplication, so if we move these terms to right hand side it will go in division. Okay, so both are in division. So 5 ones are 5, 5 ones are 5, 142 ones are 142 ones are. So the value of x is 20. Done. Now quickly moving to the second part of this question. 225 into 35 into 15 into 35 is equals to x into 35 into 225. So for solving this, first we will write this term on left hand side, and let's transfer these terms to right hand side. Now again we have the similar situation. Just write x here, and these other terms will go towards right hand side. 225 into 35 into 15 into 35. Now these terms are in multiplication, so these will go in division on right hand side. 35 ones are 35 ones are, 225 ones are 225 ones are. So we get x is equals to 15 into 35. This is x is equals to 15 into 35. So let's quickly multiply these two. 15 5s are 75 and 15 3s are 45. 45 plus 7, we will get 525. Okay, the answer is 525. Thanks for watching, and the exercise is complete.